A force of magnitude 17 Newton acts at an angle of 63 to the horizontal. Find the horizontal and vertical component of the force. Okay, let's solve it. So the force, which is F, equal to 17 Newton. And the angle, let's make it theta, is 63 degrees Celsius. Okay, so the force acts at an angle of 63 degrees to the horizontal. So this is the horizontal, and the force acts at 63 to the horizontal. So this is the force. So the angle here is 63 degrees. Okay, so we have to calculate. Let me bring this one, the arrow to the force 17 Newton. Okay, let me name it O, A, and B for easy identification. So we have to calculate for OA and AB. So let's make OA to be F of X, and this one to be AB to be F of Y. So by using the cosine rule, so we now have our adjacent to be F of X, and we have the opposite to be F of Y, and we have our resultant to be 17 Newton. Okay, so sine theta, which is the angle, is equal to F of Y over 17. So in mathematics, you say sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so it's a matter of change of subject. So F of Y is equal to 17 sine 63. Okay, let's use our calculator. So sine 63 will give us 0.89. So F of Y is equal to, let me write it well. F of Y is equal to 17 times 0.89. So let's use our calculator once again. So 17 times 0.89, which will give us 15.13. So F of Y is equal to 15.1 Newton. Don't forget the unit, which is in Newton. Okay, let's calculate for F of X. And we know cos theta is equal to the F of X over 17, which is the hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So you make the F of X the subject. So F of X is equal to 17 cos 63. This will be equal to 17. Let's use our calculator. Cos 63 will give us 0.45 times 0.45. So 17 times 0.45 will give us 7.7. 7.7 Newton. Thank you. Please like, share, and also leave a comment. And don't forget to follow for more. Bye bye.